She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Okay, I regret putting this jumper on because I've got a light shining in my face and it's just really hot, but I still want to wear it because it's got this cute butterfly here and I just got it and it's new. So I'm going to try and get through this video before I start sweating. This is something that I'm always thinking about a lot and it's always on my mind because I just want to be a better player. And I got a few messages on Instagram asking how you can improve your badminton or what you should do, but we're all at different levels and it doesn't really work to say do this to everyone because everyone's different. But I do think there are specific areas that we can all focus on to help us level up and be stronger competitors. The first thing is having the right attitude. So you got to have that mindset of there's always something you need to improve on and there's always some way that you can be better. No matter what your level is, there's always something new to learn, and that's the first step that you need to take and really embrace before you can start working on these things. I think that you can never stop growing as a badminton player and you can always be better in some way. Okay, so to break things down, the first focus area is power. When we think about power, we think about having a strong smash.
And not
Look at this!
Yeah. And not only that, it is 3.
And although having a strong smash is great, there's still so much more in that realm of power. Improving your power could mean strengthening your legs so that they push off and jump higher, or it could mean strengthening your wrists so that you hit harder and hit more efficiently. Or you can work on building your core so that you have better balance while you're moving. The second focus area is speed. Speed is something I love to train because being able to move faster than your opponent means that the game will feel very slow while you're playing.
The first thing that I'd like to do is to save every day till eternity passes away, just to spend them with you.
And I feel very in control of the game. And that's why when you're practicing exercises, you should always try to push yourself to move a little bit faster while of course still keeping the right form. So the third focus area is skill. Personally, I think that getting a coach or learning the proper technique is just really important for a long-term perspective because it's a lot harder to unlearn bad technique and to correct bad habits than it is to learn a new skill. And you don't want to have to be going backwards and then forwards again. You'll feel like you're unimproving. Not improving? You'll just feel like you're not improving. Yeah. And with no access to courts, mostly I just swing at the air and do the action so that I keep that feeling of how to swing and my arms don't forget how to move. The fourth focus area is stamina. Stamina is probably the simplest thing that you can improve, but also the hardest and most tiring. And I'd say that it's just as much about mental stamina as it is about physical stamina. So what you can do to improve this is to try running without music, or you can increase the number of reps that you do but decrease the number of sets so that you don't overwork yourself. Or generally you can just try to do things longer than usual every now and then. Okay, the last focus area is strategy. Strategy is extremely important, but it's something that's really hard to improve on your own. But what I've been doing to maintain this is I've been watching a lot of pro tournament games and I sort of just visualize myself in the game and think about how I would return the shuttle and where I would position myself on the court. And it might sound a bit strange, like how can this make me improve when I'm not actually playing? But what it does is keeps your brain active by prompting it to make decisions really quickly, like you would on the court if you were playing. Of course, it's definitely not the same as actually playing the game and being on the court, but it does help you think about the different options that you have to return the shuttle, because these players can hit more advanced shots that you wouldn't actually experience in your own game. So it's just helping you learn things and learn how the top level players play without having to be at that level yourself. Those are the 5 things that you can focus on to become a better player and a stronger competitor.
If you do that, we cannot lose.
Okay, I'm gonna wrap up this video now. Comment below on what you guys think you'd like to improve on and I'll see if I can help give some advice. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
I cannot complain, got them acting like they all mine. Top floors, skylines, ballin' hard like the prime times. Hustlers, yeah we bonafide. If I shoot shots, I'ma send across the goal lines.